Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's forum discussion. Our topic is, should school uniforms be mandatory? This issue has different opinions from students, teachers, school officials, and parents. Today, our speakers will share their views and explain why they support or oppose school uniforms. Let us listen with respect and open mind. Let us begin with our first speaker. It's heard from the student representative who supports school uniform. Your timer starts now.
So, good day to all speakers. For me, I support school uniform because they promote equality and discipline. Nowadays, some students wear revealing and appropriate clothes that may disrupt or do not reflect a proper learning environment. But uniform help us avoid this issue by setting a standard for everyone and also reduce pressure to wear expensive or branded clothes just to fit in.
Time's up. Okay, let's hear from the student representative who is anti for school uniform. Your timer starts now.
Good day, everyone. Respect for the purpose of school uniform, but I believe we should not be mandatory. Students should have the freedom to express their personality through wearing decent and proper clothing. Not every student feels comfortable about wearing the same styles every day. Instead of focusing school uniforms, schools should teach students responsibility and school dress through a clear guidelines. Respect and discipline come from values, not only from what we wear today. Thank you.
Time's up. Okay, let's hear from the teacher who supports the uniform. Your timer starts now.
Good day, everyone. As a teacher, I strongly support school uniform because they create a more organized and focused learning environment. When everyone follows the school uniform dress code, it will only have fewer instructions and fewer complicated comparisons about clothes. And also, uniforms help students to identify inside and outside the campus, and most importantly, students should be reminded that school is a place for learning and discipline.
Time's up. Okay, let's hear from the teacher who opposes uniforms. Your timer starts now.
Good day, everyone. Although uniform requires discipline, I believe they can be also financial burden for so many families. Some parents have so many children studying at the same time, and buying uniform every year because the outgrow can be expensive. If school allows clean, neat, and appropriate clothing while studying at the same time, they can save some money.
Time's up. Okay, let's hear from the school government representative who supports uniform. Your timer starts now.
Good day, as a school government representative, I support mandatory school uniforms because they promote unity, school identity, and safety uniforms. Make students easy to identify, help keep the campus secure, and remind us that we represent our school with pride and responsibility.
Time's up. Okay, let's hear from the school government representative who opposes school uniforms. Your timer starts now.
Good day. While I understand the importance of uniforms, I believe that school should also consider the student comfort and the family situation. Some students travel a long distance and the experience is very hard weather, making uniforms uncomfortable. Others struggles to afford replacement when the uniforms are damaged. As long as
Time's up. Okay, let's hear from the parent representative. Your timer starts now.
Good day. As a parent, I understand both sides of the issue. Uniform helps students movement, discipline, and equal, but it can also add expenses, especially for families with limited income. Aside from buying uniforms, parents also spend on school supplies, transportation, and daily allowances. I believe schools should listen to parents and make uniform affordable or provide assistance when needed, so no child will be left behind because of financial difficulties.
Time's up. Thank you to all our speakers. Now, we will proceed to a short question and answer portion. Question number 1. To the student representative who supports uniform. Some students say uniform stop them from expressing themselves. The question is, what is your response?
So, the answer is, I believe that uniform is not the one who stops them from expressing themselves, but themselves. Because they can express themselves while using uniform. Like joining some club, attending in some like sports and other like, activities in the school. And they can also express their expression and their feelings through like activities from school, like poster making and others.
Okay, that's all. Question number 2. To the student representative who opposes uniforms. Without uniforms, how can schools prevent students from wearing inappropriate clothing? Again, without uniforms, how can schools prevent students from wearing an inappropriate clothing?
School can also recommend wear this code instead of requiring one uniform. Students should also wear clean, respectful, and appropriate clothing. Freedom comes with the responsibility and accountability.
Okay. Okay, let's move on to the last question. And the question goes like this. Do school uniforms really improve discipline? Why or why not? Again, do school uniforms really improve discipline? Why or why not? Let's hear first from the side who supports uniform.
I believe that it really improved discipline because some students are way too expressive to the point that they're showing their skin too much, and I believe that school should have a order to what students should wear and what is the most appropriate and not.
Okay, let's hear now from the opposing side.
My answer is the school uniform cannot really improve the discipline. My answer is no. It's because disciplines always come with good teaching, effective teaching, and good behavior of a student. Not all the students who wear school uniform is the behavior is already good. There are some students who wear, even just didn't uniform behavior. It cannot define who wear the uniform. It cannot define the behavior. It can determine through the values that are teaching to the one students.
Thank you to all our speakers for your meaningful insights. Today's discussion showed that both sides have valid reasons. Supporters believe uniforms promote equality, discipline, safety, and school identity. On the other hand, those who oppose uniforms emphasize self-expression, comfort, and the financial challenges faced by many families. This reminds us that every policy should consider both the welfare of students and the realities of their lives. Thank you for listening, and we hope this discussion encourage everyone to think critically and respectfully about this important issue. Have a great day. Bye!